Hello. It's a little more rare than the new vintage rare platform. This is for Hi. I have a fire right here. There used to be one right there. Guys, I think the fire alarm got hit with a ball, so I just want to show off this fire alarm fail. And there are smoke detectors all around this room. This fire alarm might need to get fixed. Sorry if I'm pointing out fire alarm fails. It's just that it's a fire alarm fail. And here there might be a fire alarm fail because water may get splashed on the fire alarm and it might malfunction. Though, whenever something hits the fire alarm, it goes off for no reason. But the ball definitely hit that one. I wonder what these are for. Either those are either there are bells in there or horns. Like bells, whistles, horns. Like there's so much fire alarm. No, can we go to a different room? I checked all the fire alarms in this room. Can we go to a different room? So, there's so many rooms in here. There are way more fire alarms in here. I don't know what this is for. ASMR. Anyway, if you like, so this video isn't over yet. We still have a the EX bit of simplex discovered. This is a siren. This is a beacon. Make sure to like subscribe. Anyways, that's all for now.
Check out. So we don't have to be